All right, let's take a look at this dark block collision. So it's pretty simple. We're going to say if is light color, and remember, if the is light color is double equal to true, okay? So if is light color is equal to true, okay, then we'll say is alive is equal to is only one equal to false. We got is alive is false, then wait, and then we'll move to title scene. So we haven't set that up here, but let's add in a wait function, and let's add in a game over logic first. Okay, and then we'll add in a function that says wait, then move to title scene. Now we haven't set any of this up yet, but we will. Wait, then move to title scene. So sometimes I like to do this just to make sure that I do that. And if you really want to, you can add in a to do, and you can add in a to do with the comments here. So that way you know that it's not complete. All right, so we're going to say in the dark blur, we're going to say if is light color is equal to true, then we'll go to game over logic. Okay. Likewise, if is light color is double equal to false, okay, and we'll say if is light color is equal to false here, we will add in, for example, we will add in the if it's equal to false, then we're going to say if contact A dot name is double equal to, and then we're going to say dark block name. So if contact A is double equal to dark block name, okay, we're going to go to contact A dot remove from parent. Okay, so if light color is equal to false and you collide with the dark block, then what happens here is that the contact A is removed from parent. Okay, and we're going to say if contact B dot name is double equal to, and we're going to say dark block name, then what are we going to do? We are going to say contact B dot remove from parent. Okay, and outside of this, we're going to equal score is equal to score plus 1. And after all of this, we will update the score. So let's add in that function as well. And we can add it in after the light block collision function. We'll call this update score. And we'll say that this LBL score dot text is double or equal to, we'll say it's score colon backslash score. So that's how we print a variable. And we also have to call update score. All right. And now that we have all of that here, so we have if is light color is equal to true, then is alive is equal to false. So that's if you hit the dark block, and if the light color is equal to false and contact A is the correct contact, then it will work here. Now, essentially, we need to do the exact opposite with the light block collision. So we're going to say if is light color is double equal to true, because remember that light color keeps which color you're in. And we're going to say that this is if light color is equal to true, then if contact A dot name is equal to, and then we're going to say this is light block name, and we need those curly brackets in there. So if it's equal to name, then we're going to go to contact A dot remove from parent, right? And then we're going to say if contact B dot name is double equal to light block name, then we're going to say contact B dot remove from parent. So remember how this works. Remember, it's either the dark block collides with the player or the player collides with the dark block. If that's the case, then we call the function dark block. If the light block collides with the player or the player collides with the light block, then we call the light block here. And then we add in the function here. Okay, so what do we need to do when we add in this game over logic here? Well, first things first, we're going to go to LBL main dot alpha is equal to 1.0. We're going to go to LBL main dot, and we're going to say font size is equal to, let's say 130. Actually, we have to put it down to, let's say 70. We're going to say LBL main dot text is equal to game over, and then we're going to wait, then move to title scene. Okay. So in order, and we're going to deal with this wait to move to title scene in a completely different tutorial because it's actually a little bit more intense than what we would expect. Okay, this includes the tutorial.